what's up, hello YouTube, I am back with another video. And today I'm here with Darla and Jamie, and we are going thrift shopping, and I got these glasses last time at Jamie's birthday party, just in case you wanted to know really bad. So thrifting today, we have 5 different locations lined up. We are allowed to spend 47 minutes at each because Darla didn't plan. I'm kidding. Okay, and we're gonna pick up Emma later. She's at work right now getting money.
Cash. Dollars.
Cash money. Okay. Actually, we should get something. Actually, how about we go find... No.
Yes, where it's like full.
No, in front of the freezers. It's gonna look better. You can get peace tea. I feel like that's a Jamie thing. You can get an orange one so it matches.
I don't like orange. Oh, peach, that'd be alright.
That's right.
Darla, are you?
Don't smile. Not you. You smile, you don't, because you don't look weird when you smile, but it's like.
Do you want it lower?
So bad.
Want it lower?
I think that we should go to
The drinks in front of the bosses. I think that would be really cute.
fine.
I think I'm right.
I don't even know if this is getting anything.
That's kind of awkward.
Can I turn this off so that we?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna go buy this. I need food though.
Okay.
Like,
Do you want to get a bag of chips or something?
No.
Then to take that photo, my ass on the bare floor. So okay, great.
Do you want to just buy one of these pizzas and have it tonight? Or do you want to buy an actual
I mean,
pizza?
I don't want to buy it.
Well, I would buy it.
If they heard what I'm from, they think I'm crazy.
You are.
Okay, well maybe just a little crazy, just a little. Yo, we might be fast forward, but we fucking slow mo, yeah! Woo! She got that way, got that drip, got that super soaker, hit that she on CC, her name Kiki. Said I'm pretty like Tanashi, all up in his face. Did I catch a case? Scum gang! Step on my hand and push up. Good? You got it. Wait, that's the wrong foot. Ready, go. You fell. Okay, and then me and Jamie join Emma.
Emma, help yourself.
Okay, I know how to do this. Like, how? Okay, fuck.
Wow! Wow!
My boobs are coming out. So are mine. So this is my clothing haul from all the thrift stores. These pants are from Campus Crew. They zip all the way up, as you can see, and they were $8. And we have our Under Armour shorts here that are black, and we're $12. And I got this Mexican bar shirt with frogs on the back. That was $3. I also got this 80s jacket that was $6. I really like how it looks. Like, I don't know what it would match with any of my clothes, but like, it's cool. Then I got this Billabong shirt that now that I look at it, I don't really like it as much. So I don't know if I'll ever wear it, but it was $2. This shirt was $3. It says hi again, and it has drinking beers and smoking buds on it. I got it to match the red pants, you know. This is the last piece of clothing that I got. It's an Alaska shirt. It was $5, and it's an extra large, so it's absolutely huge on me. So I also don't know what I'm gonna wear it with. And guys, we are back. It is day number 2. I am still with Jamie and Darla. We are going to the beach. Yeah, we are now at the beach. Yeah, we're just gonna talk. Darla's asleep. I don't know how good this looks because we're in a plastic bag, or you're in a plastic bag right now. So yeah, we're just gonna have a little talk. It's so bright, guys. I'm squinting in case you can't tell.
You can't see me.
Sitting. Hashtag plugging. Yeah, that was a disgusting laugh. Yeah,
But
no.
it's okay. I think she.
Yeah, if you're serious about everything in life, what fun are you gonna have? If you're making millions of dollars, you're not, well, you might have fun.
Okay, is that a fish?
That was the meanest thing you've ever done to me. Oh my god.
You watching me, you all on my IG. Why you stalking me? You don't even follow me. Why you tweeting my shit? You ain't used to.
So we are now We just finished our
Dinner.
Thank you. We all did burgers, as you saw. I'm still drinking my drink, and now we are going to go take our clothes off and go to the beach again for the sunset. Ready, darling? We just watched the sunset for the most part, and now we are going to go get Dairy Queen.
This guy's been following us, and he keeps flashing us.
No, wait, let me turn. I thought he turned.
He's still there. He's turning left.
I don't know. We can just wait. I'll call you back.